Hello guys, I'm coming to you today from our classroom again. We're going to do our language lesson for today. I'm on page 212 and we're going to talk about recognizing conjunctions. Now in conjunctions, it's a word, a conjunction is a word that's used to connect other words together. Okay, it's to connect in a group of words. Now there are several conjunctions that we can memorize, and that way we'll be able to recognize them as soon as we see them in a sentence. Now, I will take a little side note to tell you need to continue to be working on your prepositions. All right, that's on page 206. You need to have all of those prepositions, try to get them memorized. I know it's a lot, but work on them. Say them over and over and over. We've wrote them a million times, so hopefully they're in there, but continue to work on those prepositions on page 206. But there's not as many conjunctions as there are prepositions, and you'll enjoy or be glad to know that. Now, in our conjunctions, there are, let's see, I think 6. And, but, or, nor, for, and yet. And if you'll look at page 212 in your language books, I'm in the blue box right now. So this is the 7th part of speech that we're learning, and it's the conjunction. And the job of the conjunction is to connect words together. All right, if I said Nico and Jace love to play basketball, if I didn't have a conjunction there, that sentence would sound really weird. It would say Nico Jace loves to play basketball. Okay, I would be like, is Nico Jace one person? Or I need to join these two words together. I got to use a word to do that. And I used and. Nico and Jace love basketball. So, and is a conjunction. It joins those two words together. Look at the blue box. Olivia or Seth is the spelling champ. Okay, or, that's another conjunction. And, or. All right, let's look at another one. David went up the stairs and into his room. And, we've already got that one up there. I love baseball, but I am not a very good player. That is true for me. I like to watch baseball, but I'm not very good at it. But if I would say I love baseball, I am not a very good player, that wouldn't be a very good sentence. I need that but in there in order for that sentence to make sense. So, but is another conjunction that's going to join the two words together, all right? And the last 3 are nor, for, and yet. Nor, for, and yet. All these words are used to combine two thoughts together or combine something in a sentence together. They're called our conjunctions. And, or, but, nor, for, yet. These, you need to memorize these. There's just 6 of them. And whenever you're doing your language and it says find the conjunctions, if you have those words memorized, you'll be able to find them quickly. Let's look down at think A. It says circle the conjunctions in these sentences and underline the words or group of words that each conjunction is connecting. So number 1, it says, praise ye the Lord, for it is good to sing praises unto our God. Do you see any of these words in that sentence? And, or, but, nor, for, yet? Yes, you probably saw for, right? Praise ye the Lord, for it is good to sing praises unto our God. What 2 thoughts is for connecting here? Okay, for is connecting. Praise ye the Lord, for it is good to sing praises to our God. So what you do is you're going to circle for, and then you're going to underline praise ye the Lord, and then underline it is good to sing praises to our God on the other side. All right, you'll do this with each 1 through 7. You'll find the conjunction. Find this word, and, or, but, nor, for, yet. Circle it, and then underline the words that it's connecting. Okay? There'll be 2 things that conjunction is bringing together and connecting. One on one side and one on the other side. Okay? So you'll have to circle that, and then underline the ones that it's connecting. Now on write B, in the blank, it wants you to write the best conjunction. So there might be 1 or 2 that can work for it. Just write the one that you like best. So number 1, the house did not fall, blank, it was founded on a rock. Okay? The house did not fall, and it was founded on a rock. I don't like that one. That don't really sound good. The house did not fall, or it was founded on rock. That don't make sense either. The house did not fall, but it was founded on rock. That don't make sense. The house did not fall, nor it was founded on rock. No, that don't work. The house did not fall, for it was founded on a rock. We found it. It's for. For is the best answer for that one. It makes sense. The house did not fall, for it was founded on a rock. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to read each conjunction to see which one fits best. Now, like I said, there may be a sentence where two of them fit okay. So just choose whichever one you want out of that. All right, so on this one, I want you to do page 212. Do all of it, 1 through 9. All right, go ahead and do that. You can pause the video if you want to. I'm going to come back and I'm going to teach you all about interjections. Okay, interjections. So if you need to pause the video, finish this one, that's fine. I'm going to get ready to go right back into teaching interjections though. All right, page 213, recognizing interjections. Now, interjections is the 8th parts of speech that we'll learn. We've learned subjects, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, pronouns, all these wonderful things, conjunctions. Now we're going to learn about interjections. All right, an interjection is a word used to express strong or sudden feeling. If you dropped a big, heavy couch on your foot, you're going to use an interjection probably. Ouch! Okay, that was an interjection. A word that shows sudden, strong feeling. Okay, or if a bee stung you, ouch, that bee stung me. Or what if you just found out that you won $100? You're going to be like, whoopee, I won $100. You know that's what I would do. So, whoopee, there's my interjection. It's the word that's used to show sudden or strong feeling. These are fun. Interjections are fun. So it's pretty easy to find interjections in a sentence because it's the word that's showing that strong feeling. So let's look at number 1. Ouch, the stove is still hot. What would be my interjection there? Ouch, exactly. Ouch, the stove is still hot. Ouch is my interjection. Now here's the key. Whenever you see an interjection, a punctuation mark always comes right after it, even if it's not at the end of the sentence. So that punctuation mark, what punctuation mark shows us sudden or strong feeling? Do you remember? The exclamatory mark, right? The exclamation point. That's what shows sudden or strong feeling. So anytime you use an interjection in your writing, you have to put that exclamation point right after it. If I was to write, ouch, that bee stung me, I would have to write, ouch, O-U-C-H, exclamation point. Okay? And then finish my sentence, that bee stung me, period. Okay? Let's look at number 2. Phew, that was a close one. What word in this sentence shows strong feeling, sudden strong feeling? Phew, right? Phew. On this one, we can use a comma after this one because it's not as intense as ouch, but you still have to put some type of punctuation mark after it. Interjections usually come at the beginning of the sentence. So strong interjections are followed by an exclamation point. Less, like more calm interjection, like phew, okay, that is just going to be followed by a comma. You'll have to decide, is this a strong feeling, like a really strong feeling, or is it just, a more mild feeling, okay? Is what they call a mild interjection. So phew, I would say would be less strong, so I'm going to put a comma after it instead of the exclamation point. All right, what about this one? Wow, did you see that long home run? Okay, I showed sudden strong feeling there. Wow. Okay, so there I'm going to use an exclamation point, okay, because that's my interjection after wow. Wow is my interjection. I showed strong feeling, and so I need that exclamation point. So if you look at the thing on page 213, it says underline the interjections first, but then punctuate them with either a comma or an exclamation point. So you've got to decide, is this a strong feeling that needs an exclamation point, or is it just a comma, or just a mild feeling that needs just a comma? Okay, so you'll go ahead and do 1 through 14 of that. And then if you'll look on page 214, this is just review. Page 214, This is distinguishing the parts of speech, okay? So above each word in the sentence, you're going to write, is it a noun, a verb, a pronoun? I believe that every single word will have something above it. I'm looking at it right now. So you'll not leave one word without a part of speech above it. So number 1, Jennifer, have you heard of Benjamin Banneker? Okay, Jennifer, noun. Have, verb. You, pronoun. Heard, verb. Of, preposition. Benjamin Banneker, noun. Okay, so above every one, you're going to write that part of speech that it is. Okay, you're going to do all of think A. You do not have to do remember B. And then on think C, it says underline each verb twice and subjects once. And then draw an arrow from each adjective and adverb to the word it modifies. It says to diagram the sentences on notebook paper. You don't have to diagram. All you need to do is just underline the subject verb and then draw an arrow from the adverb or adjective to the word that it's describing, it's modifying there. All right, so that's what you do on pages 212, 213, 214. All right, if you want to do all these pages at once, that's fine. We're going to go on, I think, to page 221 maybe. But I'll come back with another video just talking about what I want you to do there.